Hey guys, so I want to show you something very quickly. Sometimes there are things that is not necessary to have in the pictures, and if you crop or if you remove the things, then the pictures will look better. And it's a very simple fix, but the pictures will look better. So take a look at this. You see the hand right there, the hand, the point of the shoe right there. We don't need that. So what we gotta do is we gotta crop that image. Cropping will solve the problem. So we'll show you how to do it. Very quick. So it's gone. The whole thing is gone. That will be one fix right there. You crop the image and you're done. There are times when there are blemishes or scars in the face. Those things, they need to be removed. They have to be gone. Can't have those things. So very, very important to keep that in mind. Same thing here. You see blemishes and scars in the face. You gotta come out. All those things have to come out. Here, we did something with the dress. We hung the dress. We couldn't find a way to hang the dress. So we found a wire. So we use that wire to hang the dress, but we don't have to show that we use the wire. So we have to crop the image. And if you crop the image, it looks good. You never reveal your secret. Next picture right here, same problem right here. There are some little dots, black spots on the face. They need to come out. Right here, see how this background is very distracting because it has two colors. That's actually a very easy fix. All you have to do is you can use the patch tool, do a selection with the patch tool, and then delete, enter, and all of a sudden, it fixes the problem. And now that looks a lot better than the way it was before. Let's move on to the next one. Same problem. This image has the same problem. Again, use the patch tool, get rid of the white. In this case, you cannot crop, because if you crop, you're going to be cutting the dress, and that's not something that we want to do. So the patch tool will work there. Now here in this image right here, look, right here in this area, that's what the problem is. So that it has, you have to use the patch tool to remove that. Here's another area. We don't need this. This is not adding anything to the video or to the picture. Therefore, that needs to be cropped, or that needs to be cloned, or you can use the patch tool to get rid of that. Next image right here. Again, we have these little areas right here. This is called edge flickering. That's called edge flickering in photography. So those edge flickerings, you have to remove them. You have to use, in this case, if you use the patch tool, that would be a very easy fix. That will take only seconds to get that done, but it has to be done. Next one, we see here that this picture was not cropped correctly, or perhaps was not cropped at all. So let's crop it, and you will see how this looks. So we do this. Let's do that. Let's get to the solid area, so that way we don't have any edge flickerings. And if you do that, then you have this. It's a lot better, way better. A very simple fix. Next image right here, again, you have something there that's not really necessary. So in this case, all we have to do, we'll crop the light, the panel of lights there. Later on, we have here, we'll use the patch tool and get rid of this speaker. Extremely simple. It doesn't take any time. Next thing, same problem here. We have different backgrounds. We have the backgrounds, and again, it's a very simple fix. Let's crop it. There's space to crop, and it will look better, way better than before. Let's go to the next one. Here we have two problems actually. One is there, the other one is right here. You see? Well, we don't need any of that. That's not helping us to make the picture better. So let's crop the image. Let's crop in the bottom, get rid of the line. Let's crop on top and get rid of the light. And if you do that, then you have this. And then if you use the patch tool, then you can actually get rid of this light right here. Look, it's just way better. A very simple fix to do. Same problem here, get rid of the lights, crop the image, and if you have to use the patch tool, then use the patch tool. Same problem here. Crop the image to get there's space, crop the image. Same problem down here. Gotta keep an eye on those things. Those are distracting elements that are not necessary to have in an image. Same thing here. You might actually end up cutting the dress here, and that's okay. In this case, it's okay. I'd rather have a dress that is cut than to have different backgrounds, different colors, and very distracting elements there. Next thing right here, okay, so we have here several distracting elements here. See? We have those lines, we have the light in the back, so very easy fix. Let's just crop the image. Crop the image, we get rid of the light on the left, we get rid of the ceiling on the top. There's space here because now we have this problem right here, but so if we go tighter, then we get rid of that, like two, way better, absolutely way better than before. Here we have some edge flickerings right here, not a problem. Let's use the patch tool, get rid of that, and you will be done. Next thing right here, same problem. We have a problem in the ceiling, we have a problem on the side. All we have to do is crop the image and it will look way better. See? Crop the image. Perfect. Way better than before. Very simple fix. Same problem here, crop the image. In this case, you don't have too much space on top, but you have space on the bottom. At least the left-hand side is cropped and it will look better than before. See? Right there. Next one. Now you have space on the top, but you don't want to cut the guy's nose and leave one eye, so you can't crop from that side, but you can crop from this side and also hide the hand right here. You see there's a hand right here. So if you crop from this side, then you're actually getting rid of two things at the same time. The line on the top and the hand on the right. Next one. Again, here we have different backgrounds, different colors. We don't need that. Crop the image, it will look a lot better. Same problem here. We'll crop the image and it will look a lot better. Same thing there, see? Same thing here, crop the image, crop as much as you can. And then if you have to use the patch tool, use the patch tool. Right here, we have basically the same problem. There's a space to crop. We can crop it. We can get rid of that white part and we'll be done. Look, see, way better. Same thing here. Again, we don't need that corner right there. So let's crop the image. There is a space. Let's crop it. Let's move on to the next image. Here we have a hand. It looks really odd. We don't need that. Let's use the patch tool. Get rid of this in no time. Delete, enter, and it's done. It's over. So those are the little items that I want you guys to keep in mind because it's extremely easy to do. And if you do, the images will look a lot cleaner and better. So please keep that in mind. Thank you.